Hi everyone, welcome to Droid channel. Today's video will teach you how to fix flickering Samsung phone screen. If your Samsung phone screen flickers and is so slow, blinks when returning to the home page. The phone screen flickers while watching a live broadcast. Samsung phone flickers after downloading certain apps. Why is my Samsung phone screen flickering? Setup problem. Software failure. Hardware malfunction. There is a problem with the screen itself. The phone is flickering after an update. The mobile phone is dropped or submerged in water. Follow the solutions below to fix screen flickering on your Samsung phone. Method 1 is to turn off the automatic highlight setting. If your screen still flickers, try adjusting your brightness settings and disabling adaptive brightness. Please open Settings, find and click Display and Settings, and click the In-Video switch to disable adaptive brightness. If you notice the screen flickering at low brightness, slide the bar to the right to increase the brightness. Conversely, if there is flickering at high brightness, please slide the bar to the left to lower the brightness. Method 2 is to force restart your Samsung phone. When trying to fix a broken phone screen, you can choose to force restart your phone. Performing a restart will terminate any active third-party background services and processes that may be causing display issues. Please use the Samsung key combination to hard restart the phone. Press and hold the phone's power button and volume down button for 10 to 15 seconds until the phone vibrates or you see the Samsung phone icon. You can let go at this time. Please wait patiently for the phone to complete the restart. After the restart is complete, please insist on whether the phone is blinking again. Method 3 is to check for phone updates. Samsung regularly releases software updates that can fix a range of device software issues. If your phone's screen is flickering, it's most likely caused by a piece of software. Therefore, you need to update your mobile phone software in time. Please open the settings, find the software update in the settings interface and click it. Click Download and Install. Your device will check for available updates. If an update is available for your device, you will be asked to download and install it. Your device will display your software is up to date if no updates are available. Method 4 is to leave the phone for a day or even longer. If your phone's screen keeps flickering, try draining your phone's battery. Please put your phone in a dry place for a day or even longer. If your Samsung mobile phone battery is detachable, please take out the Samsung mobile phone battery and put it in a dry place to wait. After placing it for a day or more and confirming that there is no water damage inside and outside the phone, charge your phone for at least an hour first. After charging is complete, please turn on the phone to check whether the phone is back to normal. Method 5 is to check if your device is damaged. Another reason for a flickering Samsung phone screen is a cracked or damaged display. After removing the case and screen protector, you need to inspect the phone for any physical damage. In some cases, hardware issues inside the phone can also cause the screen to flicker. For example, if the display cable inside the phone is loose or damaged, the screen may flicker. If you suspect this is the case, it's best to have your phone checked by a professional. Method 6 is to enter Samsung Safe Mode. If your Samsung screen keeps flickering after trying the above methods, please run your Samsung phone in Safe Mode. Safe Mode lets you run your device with its basic interface, with simplified menus and without most third-party apps. Please press and hold the power button. On the shutdown screen, press and hold the shutdown icon until you see the green Safe Mode icon. Please click OK and your phone will restart and boot to the home screen in Safe Mode. Please use the phone normally in Safe Mode. If the screen does not flicker in Safe Mode, then there may be a problem with the application you installed recently. Please find it and uninstall it. Method 7 is to restore factory settings. If you enter Safe Mode and delete the corresponding application, the Samsung screen still flickers. Please connect your phone to your computer. Then, make sure your phone is turned off and wait at least 30 seconds. Next, press the volume up button and the power button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. You can let go while seeing the recovery mode screen. From the Samsung recovery screen, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset using the volume buttons and press the power button to confirm. Then, use the volume buttons to select Factory Reset and use the volume buttons to select the Yes option to confirm. This will trigger the reset process, which should only take 2 to 3 seconds to complete. Once done, it will take you back to the recovery mode interface. Use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your phone will turn on and reboot to the home screen. Samsung phones need to be reactivated after a factory reset. Please follow the prompts to reactivate. After the activation is successful, please verify whether the phone is back to normal again. Method 8 is to seek professional help. If you have tried all the above methods and your Samsung phone is still flickering, at this point, you need to take your phone to a Samsung store and let a professional help you check and fix the flickering problem on your Samsung phone. That's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like, share and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think there is room for improvement, you can also express your views and suggestions in the message area. Thanks. Good luck.